Welcome to online teaching. We are discussing chapter 11, Rebels and the Ras, that is related to our first struggle, that is in 1857. This is module 3rd. In second, we discuss about the leaders and the followers. A few leaders were there that guided the struggle. Okay. Now here we will discuss about rumors and prophecies. It means these were the assumptions that may be true, that may be false, and some of the forecast means tell about the coming time. That was the part. Okay. Here. Now what were the rumors that we will be discussing? The first one was the use of cartridges that were made up of cow and pig meat. It means that were coated with this. These cartridges that were made from the meat of cow and pig, that was also a rumor. And when these sepoys, these mutinies reached to Bahadur Shah Zafar fort, they told him that these cartridges that we are using, that are of the Royal Field Company, and these cartridges are made up of these cow and pig meat, and that will destroy our religion. That will destroy our caste. So that was the first rumor. The Britishers tried hard to tell the truth, but nobody paid attention. That this is not right as you are saying, but nobody was able to understand, not to hear what is the reality. Okay. Second thing was that in a factory, in a cantonment, a lower caste Khalsi asked a Brahman Sepoy for water in his lota, and the Brahman forbade that you are the lower caste, you will impure my lota and I will not give you. And the lower caste Khalsi told that what you are saying. He answered in an aggressive way that these Britishers, they are spoiling your religion and your caste. What you are saying, these cartridges that are made, they are greased with cow and pig meat. Again, such rumor came. Now, this was also a problem. Now in northern India, it spread like a fire. Third thing was, the people said that the Britishers are giving wheat flour, that is mixed of bones of cow and pig. Again this come, and that will spoil their religion and their caste. So this was also a rumor. That now in cantonment nobody was purchasing this. This was also the problem. Okay. Now fourth, what was that? The Indians were thinking that the Britishers are changing their religion, that is, they are converting Indians into Christianity. and some areas were also there. So these were also the rumors. So these were type of the rumors. They may be true, they may be wrong also. Nobody knows. And even another was also there. When this revolt started in 1857, that is 10th May, a prophecy came, that is forecast, that on 23rd June 1857, at the Battle of Plassey, India will become free. This also came. India will become free. This rumor also came because in 1757, same date and same year, Battle of Plassey was fought, and that was in Bengal, and the Britishers were the winner. So these were the some of the rumors that came, that were in 1857, and even some prophecies were also there, some forecasts were also there. So these things were there. Now these things came into the minds of the Indians, and they wanted that these things, they are real, because they do not have any base. That may be wrong, that may be right, nobody knows. Even Britishers tried hard, but they were not successful. Now what were the reasons of these rumors? What was the time period where it started? What were the reasons? Now we will be discussing that, because on 10th May 1857 our revolt started. Now what was that? In 1820s, Lord William Bentinck started about the Western education. That was the Wood's Dispatch, that is known as Magna Carta of Indian education. They wanted the implementation of English, science, mathematics, some other courses. And Indians, they did not like. They do not want that such changes should be there. The Britishers wanted the change, that this uncivilized, because they were thinking Indians uncivilized. They were thinking that they are illiterate, they do not know nothing. So they wanted to change the things, and so they implemented the Western education. Second thing, that was this education, they also wanted that they make Indians as civilized, modern, but that was also not possible. Second thing was abolition of Sati Partha. Abolition of Sati Partha, that was also, because it was from hundreds of the years back, even thousands of the years back, this tradition was followed, and Indians, they do not like that. That was in 1829. Okay. Third was that remarriage of widows. That were also some of the reasons that were making the platform of 1857, because Indians, they do not like this. They were not in a position, yet not in a mentality of having such changes. They do not like. Okay. So these were some of the rumors and prophecies that were followed by the Britishers. Okay. Now we can also say that these Britishers, they adopted the annex policy. Annex policy. What happened? They annexed Jhansi, Awadh, Satara, Lucknow. These were some of the estates, some of the territories that were overtaken by them, and they implemented their way of ruling. It means they implemented their rules and regulations, their laws, and Indians were not in a position. So these were some of the bases of these rumors that started, and in these areas, when 1857 revolt, these territories, they opposed maximum of the Britishers, because they wanted to change, and Indians were not in a position of that change.